In Melbourne's west, the Brooklyn Industrial Precinct plays a vital role in Victoria's recycling and resource recovery system. Every day, businesses here process thousands of tonnes of material. These recycled construction materials are returned to the circular economy and used in road construction, major infrastructure projects, commercial construction, and agriculture. That's why leading businesses across the precinct have come together to form the Brooklyn Recycling Group, a collaboration working together to improve environmental outcomes across the precinct.
Being part of the Brooklyn Recycling Group really provides an opportunity to work collaboratively with other recycling businesses in the area. And by working together, we're seeing that we're able to have a much greater impact on environmental outcomes than we would, just working as an individual business.
In July 2024, participating members signed Victoria's first Better Environment Plan with EPA Victoria. Founding members include City Circle Group, Delta Group, Eco Gypsum and Resource Co, with Peligra joining the group in early 2026. Together, these companies contribute significantly to Victoria's recycled material supply, with their products being reused locally across a range of industries. Year 1 focused on building the foundation for long-term environmental improvement across the precinct. Members worked together to better understand environmental challenges, particularly dust and air quality. A precinct-wide dust monitoring strategy was developed, identifying locations for a network of monitoring sensors to provide better data and insights.
So the dust monitoring network, it gives us real-time data so we can track when things are happening, where they're happening, and site operators can respond quickly and manage operations to reduce dust.
Street sweeping programs were expanded, staff across all sites completed dust awareness training, and planning began for large-scale vegetation programs. Independent environmental audits were also undertaken across member sites. More than 22,000 metres of the precinct were identified for future vegetation planting. Group members also implemented practical site improvements to reduce dust and improve environmental outcomes.
We have dust screens along our key fence lines. We have an encapsulated load-out facility that reduces dust and upgraded the spray systems. And in addition to the 3 existing dust monitors, we have 2 new site hive ones, so that makes 5 dust monitors on site that gives our staff real-time feedback on our quality management.
Community trust is central to BRG's long-term success. Members are strengthening communication with residents, local organisations and government. A dedicated community liaison officer helps ensure community feedback continues to inform the group's priorities.
It's very important that we listen to community. I organise site tours and community engagement events where we do some conservation work and cleanups. And I also communicate out to the community by organising social media and newsletters and the occasional video. It's really important that we listen to communities' concerns and then feed back the actions that we're doing to mitigate those concerns.
Year 2 is about action. Ahead of new planting, the group is supporting the humane removal of the existing feral goat population, which currently grazes parts of the precinct, causing erosion and limiting vegetation growth. Thousands of new native plants will be planted across the precinct in the coming years. Street sweeping and staff training across all member sites will support stronger environmental practices across the precinct. The Brooklyn Recycling Group represents a new model of collaboration, where industry, regulators and the community work together to deliver better environmental outcomes. Together, BRG members are working toward a cleaner, greener and more sustainable Brooklyn, supporting Victoria's circular economy while improving environmental performance for the local community.
Success from the community's perspective is when the industrial precinct is lifted up to a much higher standard, where we've got better air quality, we've got better amenity, and people feel a sense that this is their place. It's not just happening to them.